Hi, I'm Joe Orlando, Technical Services Manager for Xilica. We're here at the ISE 2020 show. And right here I'm going to show you our interoperability with Xilica Designer. We've partnered with a whole bunch of major manufacturers. We've included their API into our Designer software, which makes it really easy to control anything. So we're all about control. Not only are we fantastic with DSP, but we're fantastic with control. It's as easy as coming into our list here. For instance, I have a PTZ optics camera. I just drag a PTZ optics camera out from our list. I open it up, and this is kind of what you get. If you want to program it, you just right-click on the block, give it an IP address. Once you've established the IP address, you can open up our touch panel and say, I want to control pan, tilt, zoom. Just grab them out of the list, drag it on, and you are now controlling pan, tilt, zoom. It's all done for you. We have several partners. Very easy, very intuitive software. So not only do we have that, if it's not on our list, we have Lua scripting now. So you can do Lua scripting in our software. And that's just a brief overview. If you'd like to learn more about this software, it's available free online at our website at xilica.com.